I'm going to show you how I like to make my scrambled eggs. Now, I know I'm going to get a lot of hate because lots of people will say they're overcooked, and I get what you're saying, but for me, if I eat snotty, runny, undercooked scrambled eggs, well, I can't, because I suddenly become very aware of what an egg actually is, and it puts me off eating them for months. But I do like this technique, using a spatula to move it around slightly. Then you end up with lovely silky big ribbons rather than proper scrambled eggs where they've been bashed about too much. So you just gently cook it on a low heat until they're just cooked to your liking. And then what I like to do is always never season before you've cooked the eggs. So always season after you've cooked the eggs with plenty of salt and pepper. I must admit, I do like to heavily season my eggs. I just think it makes them taste better. And the sauce of choice for me on the side with eggs is always got to be brown sauce. So I like to put a little dollop on the side there. And that's how I enjoy my eggs.